Hi, this is Math 1428. The final exam, procedures and content. There's a tide in the affairs of men, which taken at the flood leads on to fortune. Omitted, all the voyage of their life is bound in shallows and in miseries. On such a full sea we are now afloat, and we must take the current when it serves, or lose our ventures. Catch this wave. The final exam is mandatory. It remains a course requirement. It always was. You will not pass this course if you do not complete the final exam. The final exam is very important for the grade you earn. Your year-to-date work will count 2/3. The final exam has always counted 1/3. It is a huge opportunity to improve your grade. The way this test will happen in many ways will be like the quiz over Chapter 5 and 6. And many of you did well on those quizzes, especially you followed the directions. That makes me feel good. But in addition, this exam is being proctored. This is new and different. Pay attention. There's preparation. There is check-in. There is a 10-point extra credits bonus on the final exam score for completing the exam according to this process. This is huge. More detail in the PDF that I'm going to post in the Blackboard Syllabus tab, and that was sent directly to your COD email by the proctoring agents. This is the PDF. It talks about when the exam is. By the way, it is, again, May 11th, 2020. The check-in begins at 11:45 a.m. The exam will start at noon and finish at 1:50. The answers will be for you to submit on Blackboard, and the proctoring protocol will be Zoom. You're to install the Zoom app prior to the testing, and you prepare your phone for the testing. Make sure it's charged and connected to power. And you join the meeting at 11:45. There are rules. You have to show a photo ID. You should have a private area where you can do this test that is well lit. Let others know in your house that you will be testing and cannot speak with them or be interrupted while testing. You will sit at a desk, table, or other flat surface clear of non-permitted items. You will determine how you will position, prop up your cell phone during the exam, and examples of the setup and cell phone positioning can be found here. And you can refer to that link as an example of that. Only one monitor is permitted. You will use your phone's camera to slowly scan the work area, including above and below the work surface. If notes or extra test materials are permitted, you are permitted a calculator in this class. Have them on the table facing up. Be prepared to pull up your sleeves to the elbow and pull out your pockets. Hats are not permitted. At any time during the exam, the proctor may stop you and ask you to stand up and scan your work area to ensure test security and academic integrity. The entire test will be recorded. Once the exam begins, you do not take breaks. Here's a hot link for you to ask some questions about this part of the process. Okay, so you prepare your space, check in early, no breaks, calculators will be allowed, but only blank paper to do your work. But just like the quiz that we took on chapters 5 and 6, the quiz will be emailed to your COD email at noon on Monday as a PDF. It also will be posted in Blackboard. Answers will be posted in the Blackboard Shell final exam for grading. So you will be posting your answers into the Blackboard final exam shell. The assessment will close at 1:50 p.m. I will allow you to submit PDFs of your work to Blackboard for 30 minutes after the exam, but only for problems that you have answered. I am posting a practice exam on your Blackboard Syllabus tab. This will be separately announced, and it will include some answers. The exam will have 20 problems on Monday, and there's only 2 directions that will be associated with this: graphing and solving. One of my favorite quotes from Star Wars is Yoda saying, "Do or not do. There is no try." Let's don't just try, let's get her done. Now more than ever, Time is precious. Each day must count. Do the math. It will make you strong. And now, more than ever, take care of yourself and of each other. God bless.